leadership of our late great party leader of our nation, the party leader of the ODM and the leader of this country. I think he was a statesman in our country, and we respect him for that. And we say, may God rest his soul in eternal peace. Yes. Now, Your Excellency, we moved on when we joined this broad-based government. And as you know, before we joined the broad-based government, we were together in a handshake government with President Uhuru Kenyatta. President Uhuru Kenyatta did not give ODM even a single minister, even a single permanent secretary. There was the only thing which President Uhuru Kenyatta gave us was a promise to give us the presidency. Your Excellency and honorable members of parliament and governors and all the leadership of our parties, both parties. I want to say that from that time we moved on and we said, okay, we missed the presidency, but life must continue. And we effectively joined the opposition. And we were genuinely fighting. I think President Ruto will tell you that he could feel our presence in the streets when we put on sufurias in our head. But as fate would have it, we are together. We are now tied together. We are with an umbilical cord, and this umbilical cord should be nursed, and we must urge that let us be straightforward. If you have any issue that you want to raise, please raise it honestly, but don't be a fence sitter. Because we say, in Kijaluo we say, if you face the lake, face it squarely. Because if you face it squarely, it is a blessing. And if you turn your back to it, it is a blessing. And if you are neither looking at it and neither turning your back to it, it is a curse. It is a curse. Don't sit in the fence. You must decide where you are. Because we want to know who is with us and who is not with us. If you are not with us, you are not with us. If you are with us, you are with us. And let's speak very, very frankly. And I hope that those who are the implementers, we also have our ministers. For the first time, now ODM has a very, very senior position in this government. We have the CS for finance, and that is where food is cooked. That is the center of the government. That is the one keeping the wealth of the government. And yes, and we also have a Tandi in parliament. So ODM, you should not say that you have nothing, that you are getting nothing. If you are getting nothing, then first of all, let us blame our own people. Because they are also inside. So today, as we get account of what is happening in the broad-based government, we are getting it as part and parcel of this great, this broad-based government. We are not getting it as outsiders sitting to listen. Now, let President Ruto tell us what he has done and what he has not done. We have also been participating in doing maybe whatever they did earlier. We don't know, but what has been done during our tenure, we know. We know. And therefore, now when we are here, we are now at a stage where we want to make policies, we want to push policies which will push this country to the first world. And we are not shy about it. We want to make policies which will take us to Singapore. And we are not shy about it. And therefore, as we listen here, I don't want to take more time because the President is still going to speak. And then we now listen to the doers who are the executive to tell us exactly what they have done for this country, and some expert also to guide us on a few things. So with those very, very many remarks, I now want to end my speech, and this written one, I will also hand it over for record. But I'm sure I have summarized what is inside. Thank you.